Hello parents and caregivers, and welcome. This video is for you. My name is Chelsea Semino and I am a prevention specialist at Aldersgate Youth Services, which is located in Willow Grove. Aldersgate works with students and families in your community to provide tools for things like decision making, how to make healthy choices, and skills for calming down. The purpose of this video is to provide you with resources to share with the children in your lives. You may be familiar with Second Step from classroom presentations or all of the new videos that have been posted online since the beginning of the COVID pandemic, or maybe you're completely new to Second Step. Either way, I'll share a lot of helpful information here. Second Step is a program that teaches skills for social and academic success. The content in Second Step is especially relevant and needed in these times. So first I want to show you the Second Step videos that our staff have created and posted on our YouTube page. To find our YouTube page, you're going to go to the YouTube website and type in Aldersgate Youth Services. From there, if you click this videos button, you'll be able to see the complete list of all of our wonderful staff videos on a variety of topics. You can scroll through and look by the title and you'll see some Second Step videos, or to make it a bit more easy for you, you can choose this playlist category right at the top, and you'll be able to find all of our Second Step videos here in one playlist. There are also more videos on the actual Second Step website and a lot of other resources that I'll be sharing with you today. So let's check out how to access the Second Step website. To get access to all of the incredible resources on the Second Step website, like home links, following through cards, all of the really great brain builder games that we play and learn from at the same time, you're going to need to create a free Second Step account. And here's how to do that. You'll go to the website at secondstep.org, and you'll find the area that says New Users Create Account. To create an account, you're going to look here at this information. You're going to choose which grade level you'd like for the child in your life. If it's first grade, then this is the activation code that you're going to put in. Okay. Once you have the activation code in and you have access to the Second Step website, you're going to find your dashboard. Your dashboard will show whichever grade levels you've put in the activation code for. From the dashboard, you'll click Resources under the grade level. From here, you're going to click on the Reinforce Skills link. So first, let's take a look at the home links. Home links are simple, fun activities that encourage interaction between students and their adult family members, caregivers, or other important adults. The activities give students a chance to practice Second Step skills outside of the classroom and help families learn about the skills so they can use them at home too. You can get home links in English or in Spanish. So from this page, from here, you'll have access to every home link which accompanies Second Step lessons. If you'd like the Spanish version, you'll click right here. So like I said, the home links correspond with each Second Step lesson. Here's a preview of what the Second Step home link looks like for lesson number 1, grade 2. You'll see some really interesting, useful information about what your child is learning, and there will always be an activity that you and your child can do together or that they can do alone. Okay, now let's go back to our reinforced skills page so that we can look into our following through cards. The Using Skills Everyday section of the following through cards gives an example of how to reinforce the skills taught in that lesson. You'll do this using the anticipate, reinforce, reflect process, which is explained in the following through cards. On the following through cards, there is a Using Skills Everyday section, which gives examples about how to reinforce the skills taught in that lesson. To access the following through cards, you're going to click the follow through card link, and from here, you can get the following through cards. From here, you can learn more about the anticipate, reinforce, and reflect process, and also learn more about the brain builder games, which are always a big hit with students. You can even watch demonstrations of how to play the game. For following through cards, they again correspond with each second step lesson. You'll see information on why the lesson matters for students and simple activities to do for 4 days following the second step lesson. That way, you can help students reinforce skills learned in that lesson. I also want to quickly highlight the Brain Builder games. Brain Builder games are designed to target and boost skills, sometimes referred to as executive function skills. From your second step dashboard, you'll click Resources. Then you'll hover over Teach and Reinforce tab and click on Brain Builder Overview. Here you will find info on the purpose of the games, how to make games more challenging to match students' needs, and video demonstrations of the games, which you could watch with the child in your life. I'd also encourage you to check out the awesome second step songs and videos, which you can find from your dashboard. You'll click on Streaming Media Lesson. On the right side of the page, you'll find kindergarten or second grade songs. We at Aldersgate really believe in the effectiveness of this program. We hope you found this video helpful and that it is able to help supplement the education of the child in your life outside of the classroom. Please reach out to us with any questions or concerns. We're here for you.